From this day on, we lower our prices. Watch 24trains.tv now for only €4.99 per month. A wide range of new content is available every week. This week we take you on a trip through Europe, where we first visit Germany for a beautiful steam engine on the Rubeland Railway, and we see a model railway from the 60s. In the Netherlands we look at regional diesel trains, in Switzerland we dive into a salt mine, and in France we see many different trains passing in the Alsace region. Done watching? Then read one of our numerous magazines. Subscribe now on 24trains.tv.